Question 13 is about logarithms, and in this case, x is a positive integer. We are asked to find the sum of all such x that satisfy the equation here. So the common way of dealing with the question is to change the log to base 2. Note that log 16x is equal to log 2x over log 2 16. Log 2 16 is equal to 4, so this is 1 over 4 log 2x. And log 16x is therefore equal to log 2. Log 16x is equal to 1 over 4 log 2x. And it is equals to log 2 1 over 4 plus log 2 log 2x. This is equals to a negative 2 plus log 2 log 2x. So we are done here. How about this one? Log 16 log 2x. It is equals to log 2 log 2x over log 2 16. And it is equals to 1 over 4 log 2 log 2x. Now we let a to be equal to log 2 log 2x. So the equation will become 4 log 2 16 equals to negative 2 plus a times 3 of 1 over 4 a minus 1 equals to 1. So this is a minus 2, then 3a minus 4 equals to 1. Expand this and we have 3a squared minus 10a plus 7 equals to 0. So 3a, 7 and 1. So a is equals to 7 over 3 or a equals to 1. I continue here. So if a equals to 7 over 3, log 2 log 2x equals to 7 over 3. Log 2x equals to 2 7 over 3. And in this case, x is not an integer. Okay, so reject this. If a equals to 1, log 2 log 2x equals to 1, log 2x equals to 2, x equals to 4. So there's only one answer, and the answer is x equals to 4. So 4 is answer for the question 13.